Welcome back, guys. Today, we are diving into the world of Pigeon multi-cook kettles, your ultimate kitchen companion for quick and easy cooking. Whether you need to boil water, make tea, cook noodles, or even prepare soup and pasta, these kettles can do it all. From budget-friendly basics to feature-packed multi-cook models, we'll break down the Pigeon Kessel, Trip, Swift, and more to help you pick the perfect one for your needs. So, stick around till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description to grab your favorite Pigeon kettle at the best price. Let's get started. Pigeon Kessel Multi-Purpose Kettle. This multi-purpose kettle is made using high-quality borosilicate glass material which gives a compact and sturdy design. It is equipped with safety features with automatic cutoff when the water is boiled and ensures power savings. The ergonomically designed kettle comes with a temperature control button that lets you cook at different temperatures. It offers a touch handle that makes it safe to touch even when the kettle is hot and has a 360-degree swivel base for usage, convenience, and portability. The box contains a kettle. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pigeon Stovecraft Trip Multi-Cook Kettle. The Pigeon Multi-Cook Kettle is your versatile kitchen companion. This 0.8-liter kettle packs 600 watts of power in a sleek cream design, perfect for boiling water, brewing tea or preparing coffee with ease. Its compact size and elegant look make it ideal for any kitchen. Pigeon Stovecraft Swift Multi-Cook Kettle. This kettle is crafted using stainless steel inside and thermal insulated outer body which keeps your beverages meals at the desired temperature for longer periods. The built-in auto shut function ensures that once more temperature is achieved and automatically shuts down and restarts again to maintain desired mode temperature. This kettle offers 3 distinct heating modes: max for boiling, high for heating, and low for keeping warm. The box contains a kettle, egg boiling stand, SS stand, plastic ball, power cord and transparent lid. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pigeon Stovecraft Swift Plus Multi-Cook Kettle. This multi-cook kettle is made using stainless steel inside and thermo-insulated outer body. Unparalleled thermal efficiency keeps your beverages and meals at the desired temperature for longer periods. This multi-cooked kettle offers 3 distinct heating modes like max for boiling, high for heating and low for keeping warm. The built-in auto shut function ensures that once more temperature is achieved and has automatically shuts down and restarts again to maintain desired mode temperature. It comes with heat control knob with 3 adjustable settings and has transparent glass lid and egg boiling rack. The box contains a kettle egg boiling stand, SS stand, plastic ball, transparent lid and steamer. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pigeon Stovecraft Everyday Plus Multi-Cook Kettle. In color black. This 2.5 liters capacity kettle is made from food-safe stainless steel which is durable and corrosion resistant with a shiny finish. It has special features like indicator light, heat-resistant handle and automatic shut-off. The durable ceramic coating on the inside helps to prepare meals with less oil and also can be cleaned easily without making any scratch. The glass lid helps to check in between the cooking process. It has a wider mouth for easy cleaning and pouring. The cool touch outer body ensures safety. It has 2 adjustable heat settings knobs to control the temperature. It has an inbuilt steamer to steam veggies and other food items. The box contains kettle and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty.